Okay, problem 3 on our quiz. Find the missing angle. And of course, the missing angle we're looking for here is this one back here. And we're going to use two concepts that we've learned this week. One is all triangles have 180 degrees. And the other one is that a straight line makes up 180 degrees. And that's how we're going to figure out what this is. So the first thing I want to do is what is the triangle that I'm looking at? And this is the triangle that we're looking at. And we learned that all the angles, the three angles of a triangle, including this one, add up to 180 degrees. So I can just write that this 61 degrees plus that 41 degrees plus this third angle in here, which I don't know what it is, but if I add those three up, I'll come up to 180 degrees. So the easiest, well, there's lots of ways to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and add the 61 and 41. And if I add 61 plus 41, I'm going to get 102. Just use your calculator to figure that. And it looks like most of you are then just subtracting that number from 180. So I'm going to go 180 and subtract that 102. And I'm going to get 78 degrees. So this number in here is 78 degrees. Double check to make sure we didn't make a mistake. 61 plus 41 plus 78, does it equal 180? So do it on your calculator and you're going to go, yes, it does. So this is 78 degrees. Well, they didn't ask us what this one is. They wanted this one over here. But I needed to find that first. And so what I'm going to do now is this second concept of understanding that straight lines make 180 degrees. So I've got this straight line. This is what I'm focusing on, this straight line. And that this angle plus this angle, this whole thing makes a straight line, makes 180 degrees. And again, so I've got this understanding that that's 78 plus this one here plus this one here is going to equal 180. 78 plus something equals 180. And I can just subtract it then, 180 minus 78, and I find out that that equals 102 degrees, which means that this is 102 degrees. The answer, so when you take the quiz, just write in here 102 as the answer. Let's check if we're right. Does 78 plus 102 equal 180? So go get a calculator, I go check it, and I'm like, yeah, it works, so I know I'm right. And there's problem 3.